Hi reception, welcome to your maths for today. Now before we start, you're going to need 20 things to count. So help us if you could gather those up now if you haven't already got them. It can be anything that's around the home, pieces of pasta, one of my favourite things to use, pieces of dried cereal, toy cars, whatever you've got, as long as you've got 20 of them, and then bring them back here please. Okay. Right then, reception, let's get started. So before we do our careful counting, which I know you've been putting with Miss Beard, let's have a look at our numbers 1 to 10 because we've already done those and I want to make sure they haven't slipped out of your brain. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to show you a number card. I want you to say the number. Are we ready? Okay. 10, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2, oh dear, this is up. 2, 4, 6, 8, and there it is, number 9. Well done, reception. This time I'm going to keep extra quiet and I'm going to listen really hard to you and make sure you're saying all the numbers. Are you ready? Let's see if we can be a little bit quicker perhaps. Are you ready? Okay. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Reception, amazing. I can tell you've been practicing that. Well done. And again, help us if there are any numbers they're really stuck on. Make sure those are the ones we're practicing at home. Okay, reception. Wow. Careful counting time. So down here, I've got something I need you to help me count. Okay. And we're going to practice doing it together. And then you're going to have a go on your own. So let's just show you what I've got down here on the desk. Oh, some stars. And look, I've got my number track here. And on my number track, I'm just going to show you all the team numbers which we're going to start to learn this term. Okay, all the way up to 20. So we've done the numbers down here, 1 to 10. And now we're really going to be looking at these amounts, 10 to 20. Okay, so on my board, I've got some stars. Now I'm going to take just a few away for a moment because I want you to help me count these up. Now, when they're all scattered like that, is it easy to count, reception? No, it's not. So what I like to do, if I'm counting objects, things I can move, I pop them into a bit of a line, or I organise them in a way where I can clearly count along and not make any mistakes. So quite a big group here of things. So I'm just going to put them like this. Okay, reception. Now I'm going to go first. I'm going to show you my careful counting. Are you watching? I've got my finger ready. I'm going to touch each star once and I'm going to say one number name. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got 15 stars. Can I find 15 on the number track? Let me check. Where's 15? Oh, there's 15. I had 15 stars. I'm going to try another amount now. Are you ready? Close your eyes. I'm going to put a few more in. Okay. How many stars have I got now? Gosh, it's getting very busy here. Maybe to make it easier, I could make 2 rows with a gap in the middle and then I won't accidentally count some more than once. Okay. So this time I'm going to count along. Remember, one finger, one number name. And I'm going to count along the first row, then the second one. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, 17. What does 17 look like? Well, I can hear it's got a 7. 17. Let me go along my track. Oh, there's 17. Oh, right, reception. I think you're ready to have a go with me. Now, Helpers, what I'd like you to do is to pause. I'm going to put some star on the board for the children. I'd like you to pause the screen so they can count. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, reception. Hold on a minute. Okay, reception. I want you to pause the screen. How many stars have I got? Wow, reception, such careful counting. Let me see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16? What does the number 16 look like? I can hear a 6 in it. That might be a clue. Let's have a look. 16. When you see my finger near it, say, "Stop, Mrs. Hart." Oh, you made me jump. Stop, Mrs. Hart, because there is 16. Well done. Let's try another one. Okay, reception. Remember, help. I'm going to add some stars on. I want you to pause the screen and let them count them, please. I've got to squeeze them on there. There we go. I hope we're remembering to touch one star and say one number name. Okay, reception, your turn. How many stars have I got now? Goodness gracious, there was a lot there, wasn't there, reception? Should we count them together? Okay, are we ready? Or I'm going to start here this time because it doesn't matter where I start as long as I know what order I'm going to count in. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's find 19. There's a clue in the name, 19. When I get to it, make sure you say, "Stop, Mrs. Hutt." Don't make me do it. Oh, stop, Mrs. Hutt. You're right. There's 19. Well done, reception. You have been doing some great counting with me. What I'd like you to do now is to practice that at home. Now, helpers, if your child is finding counting amounts past 10 a bit tricky and they're making mistakes, please don't go on. Keep practicing within 10. And the same as if you're working past 10, if you find that larger amounts are too tricky, just keep within, say, between 10 and 15 and just practice those skills, because it's more important that they practice the skills rather than the size as such. And as long as you've got your number track out as well, I'm sure they'll be absorbing some of those numbers as well. Okay, reception, have fun, careful counting. Come back and join me when you're finished because we're going to do some pattern work next. Okay, take care.